When you think about hyperconnectivity, mobility, and the move to cloud, that's actually changed the way we work. It's even changed the way we live. And as a result, we need to change the way that networks actually respond to all of this.
So we've redesigned the architecture of the network, which we're calling intent-based networking. Essentially what we're doing is we're getting data from the network, moving it into machines in the cloud, intelligent systems that have got artificial intelligence and machine learning. And then, based on what we're learning about the context of what's going on in the network, we're doing something with it. That's the intention.
Advances in computing power and also in machine learning have meant that we've been able to build a network that is constantly learning and it's constantly adapting. We've built a network which is powered by intent and informed by context. All of this actually helps us to better understand the connected world. I believe this is going to be the foundation of the digital economy.
What I think is transformational about this initial stage of IBN is that we can now do things that humankind could never do before. Imagine a city that had no traffic lights and yet was safer. There is no way we can do that with the way we did things in the past, human intensive with 43 screens, monitoring traffic lights and set and forget mode. We can't do that. So we've got to think past that. We've got to feed the data to machines that can obviate the need for traffic lights. So imagine, as I said, a city with no traffic lights, and yet it's safer, there's less frustration due to congestion, and it's a cleaner environment because there's less pollution. We're at the beginning of being able to do that with the right infrastructure in place.
So I think what I'm most excited about with the release of these new technologies is that many of the organisations that I talk to are really struggling from an IT perspective to support their businesses. I think we've got an opportunity to actually change that.
This is the biggest game changer in networking. It's as big as moving from fixed line to mobile. If you go back in time, many businesses were beholden to the technology, and although the business wanted to do things, they couldn't because the network or the infrastructure wouldn't allow them. We've turned that around, and we're now saying the network and the technology should be aligned with the business requirements. And we're enabling that through IBN or intent-based networking because of all of the functionality that we're providing. So we're providing a lot more flexibility, a lot more agility so that it can meet the business requirements, not the other way around.